Tailwind CSS came out with a new version not long ago, and there were some changes in the installation manual, especially for installing with Vite. I have a previous video on Tailwind CSS installation in React plus Vite, but this new method will make the installation faster with less code. So let's start installing. On Tailwind CSS website, we'll go to installation and use this command. I will copy it from here and paste it into my project. Then go to vite.config.js, import and add Tailwind CSS/Vite to the plugin as follows. We will go to index.css and import Tailwind CSS. You can delete the rest if you want to. You can now start using Tailwind CSS. Use npm run dev to start the process, and let's see if Tailwind CSS is working.